of course iwe nk'umuhagizi enshonga yawe numanya wo kuza kutorana tene kuza kugema iwe cyero mukasheshe genda utera karuru kawe garukumuka na wano wenda kurinda results kushoma at your polling station
no kurinda karuru kanje kanaki
nurinda baheza kwa announcinga okwata umuhanda gwawe genda abako batari bikinde cyo kubasa kukikora iwe to kubasa kupetitioninga okuyaho mwebembezi no kwija kupetitioninga akagira ati atakaruru bakagenzere kubi banyebere
basa ko bakarebere ngume honde bene babara
no wasaguma because ekirungi cyakaruru ko mu mugongo no babara mu kureba kandi bahandika baheza ba announcing so tene kibakoza kushereka if it was a ballot ubundi abamwe no babeyiha marahe no bwiziremu manyamu abare butarugo so ekirungi hatahanugwa niza kuba kuri umugongo so abantu umuntu nawe nabana ari batogo yankiza abantu yanga yikereza of course there are cases abo kushanga ngo nibaza crazy cases za voter bribery or campaigning on the day of elections because some people abantu amwe bagummo kwenyuma bakongera gukora ki to campaigning ba candidates babo aho batari ko mobilizing abantu kuza kutera karuru. Those issues are also there, but of course okuhabura okurugum secretariat campaigns zikomanye nchaka nyuma tomorrow abantu nibamanya obakoza kutera karuru ekikuriwe no kushikaki polling station yabahora atera karuru ukatera karuru ukezo kamanye cyarugamo kakwata umuhanda ukaza mu kukarinde birarije mu mperwa byone izo bari yanarhendera